Hello and welcome to this short video showing you how to activate and synchronize the MG iSmart app to your car. If you haven't already, you'll need to download the iSmart app to your Apple or Android phone. Once you have the app installed and set up, head to the car. When you first start the car, you will see the MG welcome screen. You'll need to click on Configure. This will take you to the activation screen, where you'll need to click on Activation. The system will go through its checks, and once both the activation certificate and maps are active, they will both be highlighted blue and you can click Next. This is where you can set up your iSmart app connectivity. If you haven't already, you'll need to follow steps 1 and 2 to download and register your app. For the purpose of this video demonstration, we'll skip straight to step 3. Press the remote control function on the app, swipe the unlock button and then select Bind Now. Using your phone, scan the Connect QR code which appears on your right. Your phone will now ask you to enter a 4-digit security code for your account. This is the code you'll need to enter every time you use any of the security related features via the iSmart app on your phone. Back to the vehicle display. You'll need to confirm your chosen language, your chosen time zone, and finally your chosen time format. We'll go with 24 hours. Finally, to be able to use the iSmart app features, you'll need to agree to the privacy policy. Press Agree and Finish. And there you have it. Your activation process is completed. We hope you found this useful, and be sure to watch the other videos in our iSmart video series to understand how to get the best use out of the MG iSmart